Hello, how are you? My name is Jamal Azbegi. I wanted to talk about text in Python with turtle model. You know how to write a text. For example, you would like to write your name. Our project like this. We design a square and, for example, our name. For example, family and code. All of them will be done by our description. Please notice that when you like to do this, we have to imagine the geometry size or measurement. For example, we have to pivot in geometry. Is it the y and there is the x and y. The exact point of the here is 0 and 0. Everyone know that. When you go to the right, it is the positive, and the up is a positive, and the left is negative, down is negative. So, for example, you wanted to come here. What this x and the y of this point, for example, x is a 300 and y is 0. And what's the point of here? The point of here is 0 for x and 300 for y. And what's the point of this? What the GPS or the x and the y of this point? So x is 300 and y is 300. Please notice our code basically based on this description. It is so easy. All of them like this. So please follow me what I do. IDLE. It doesn't matter. Okay, we create a new project. Create with text. First of all, we know that import turtle. Import turtle. So try to save is in specific location. Project video created. And my code is here. Python code. Card. TXT. So run our code here. I wanted to do that with runtime, then copy from this place to the IDE code. So define T1 as turtle dot. That's right. It works. What we have here is the graphic design. So I divided my screen to this item. It is easy for understanding. Then I copy the code from here to this place and to this place, and all of them will be generated exclusive code that we can use for many times. But in this place, we couldn't reuse for the next time. So for understanding better, I use this method. First of all, T1 that, for example, I take a white for the length, white for our shape is 10, and it is for clear shape or beautiful shape. T1 dot color, for example, we can color, for example, blue, and blue is double quotation here. Okay, T1 dot forward 300. It goes here. What if you notice here, our turtle come here. So continue our course easily. So I would like it to do that rapidly because I don't like it to take your time more. T1 dot left 90 degree, T1 dot forward. So I try to copy one by one. T1 dot. Okay. So this is our square. So I wanted to write my name here. If you notice to my description, please notice that it is our square. You know, please notice to what I write here. It is our square. Yeah. You know, excuse me. So the point here is 0 and 0, x and y. So here was 300 and 0, and this place is 300 and 300, and this place is 300 and 0. So I wanted to write here my name, this first. That's right. And for example, the last name, for example, and code 1, 2, 3. Please tell me about this point here, because turtles start from here. So if we calculated, we have to come here. For example, it may be 30, and from this place go up to this point. So we know that the height of this point less than 300. So we can say that it is 280. So finally we can say that the point is 30 and 208 for this. So how we can do that? So easy. We need this and this. Okay. If you wanted to go to another place, we have to Penup. You know, T1 dot Penup. Okay, T1 dot go to this point. What the point was 30 and 208. Okay, and we have to rotate it. T1 dot left 90 to rotate the the view of the turtle. So T1 dot right. No, color. First of all, change the color. Black. Okay. T1 dot right. What we write here, for example, name Jamal. Okay. I think that we have a font option. I remember font option is Tahoma, for example, and size is 12, if as I remember. Yes, it works. What it's incorrect, it's not incorrect, but it's not beautiful. We can because we have to decrease the size. For the next time, we go to the next line, and instead of the 208, we write 250. Because, please come here for my explanation. When you come to the next line, for example, you wanted to come here. When you want to come here, we have to reduce high from 218 to which, for example, 250. That's right. And what the point of here is 30 and 250. Okay, it is so easy, but it requires your base knowledge related to geometry and imagination. It is so easy. So this result project, yeah, and another project. Okay, go to 30 and no, pen up, pen up. T1 that go to 30, 250. Okay, T1 that's right. Last name. Azvegi and font equal, for example, impact if exists in the system and the right 1258. We need a close parenthesis. Yes, close parenthesis because this line give us at this point that we have to continue our coding. And what we have to do here, T1 dot go to, T1 dot pen up, T1 dot go to. So 30 and for 115. You want that right? My code is font equal Arial. So it is our code, so easy. How do we regenerate this code? Please copy all of them here, but require some extra notice because here and go to the our code, pass here. We don't require this line and we can write this code here. Okay, please close all of them and rerun this code. It works automatically and you can edit this code easily from here. How to can do that? Please come here and we say that it is bigger than 215, it is 200 and it's so run again. It is our code. Please follow my code, follow my video one by one, the previous code related to how to turtle walk, how to write a code forward, what is it the forward, what is the left. And in this session, I discuss about the Penup, which we have to, of your pen and go from one point to another point and write when you would like it to write something, some text, font related to the font, and this number here is the size of this font. I will, upload this code to my GitHub. Please follow the GitHub and try to exercise again. It is so easy. You can, for example, you can do that with function or maybe from this side, another side, and everything. It is Python. Please take care and continue our course precisely. Goodbye. Good day.